Hi friends, would you like to learn how to build a dome by Leonardo sticks? Start placing one stick horizontally on a flat surface. This will be the base of our dome. Now take another stick and position it on top of the base stick, making sure it starts from the middle of the base stick and extends beyond it. Keep adding sticks in the same way, forming a circular pattern of 4 sticks. We just have to be mindful of one thing, that its starting point will always be on top of the perpendicular stick. Continue adding layers, each time slightly overlapping the sticks from the previous layer, and then cross-secting vertical sticks. This cross-section creates the beautiful curved shape of our dome. I'll reiterate one more time, the only principle you have to follow. The starting point of a stick will always be on top middle of perpendicular stick, and in the same way middle part will always be below the starting or ending point of crossing stick. Keep adding sticks until your dome reaches the desired height and becomes a stunning Leonardo dome. Building with Leonardo sticks is a fantastic way to nurture creativity, patience and a sense of accomplishment. Kids and adults alike can enjoy this mesmerizing activity. You'll notice the graceful curve taking shape and your dome is ready. You can find Leonardo sticks on our website to begin your own creative journey. Have fun building and exploring.